Now, I am a very clean person, but this is what it looks like when you work 2 jobs. You only come home to change and sleep, and it's kind of cluttered. So we're just gonna try and fix that, and then my bed is a mess. Look at my duck pajamas. Yeah, you like that? This part is normally clean, but one of my little drawer thingies broke, so there it is right there. It broke, so I gotta fix that. I guess it adds like an antique rustic look. I've got a lot of cool pieces on this bookshelf, but it's just not organized how I want it to be, and it just looks pretty chaotic. I've got some stuff there that I don't even really care for. Like, what are those pens doing? And a jar of honey, like what the fuck? And then I bought this crate from IKEA. It's so nice, but I filled it with so much crap. Oh my god, that's a bowl. That, I swear, that was there from this morning. I just had bread in there. Alright, I promise I'm not disgusting. Wow, this is off to a great start. Alright, my vanity. I love my vanity a lot, but I really just want a desk. But I'm gonna try and clean this as much as I can. The drawer in here is actually pretty organized just because I don't really go in there a lot, but I used to be really crazy about makeup and now I'm not, and it's just a total mess. Then we've got the nasty clothes central. I love my clothing rack, but I have like my towel there and some random. These are clean, I just don't know where to put them yet. I've got a small pile of clothes right there that I'm trying to donate because they don't fit me anymore. And of course, I've got my dirty hamper that I don't want you to see. And here I am! Ooh! Yikes. I just stabbed myself with my fingernail. Why do I have to have like such an annoying OCD about folding blankets? This is not even. This is just a disaster. I'm running out of breath. I swear, making your own bed is like a workout in itself. Cardio for the day. So, 2 hours later, I finally got to charge my camera battery. As you guys can see, this shelf is extremely not aesthetic and cute, and it's just filled with a bunch of random stuff. Things that don't make sense and just don't go well together are automatically placed right here, so we'll see what we can do. My friend got me this crate. It's really cute. It's kind of metal and kind of rustic looking. However, I wanted to place my hair tools in here, and just to be safe so it didn't get scratched up or anything, I put this kind of DIY. It was an Urban Outfitters bag, and I just kind of tied it around here, as you guys can see. And I'm just gonna place my hair tools in here now. Ta-da! I only have 3, and I don't even really use hair tools on my hair like that, so there it is. My shelf is kind of dusty. I do need to brush it off and wipe it off and all of that fun stuff. So the top remains the same. I just have some flowers, some shark's teeth, a little bit of my fortune that I found from a fortune cookie. I've got some pine cones in here. I've got a book about Van Gogh. I've got a poem book, and that's about it for the top. The white paint splatters is from painting my walls white so many years ago, and it never ever got off, so we'll just have to live with that. And the first little cubby, I guess, is just random things. So I just have my Van Gogh chocolates, antique plates in a cup. I've got some new bath products I just kind of place over there that I can see when I'm lying down on my bed. Maybe it will enforce me to try it out. In this bag I just have some scrunchies, bobby pins, and then in this little cup I just have my everyday hair tie and scrunchie. The second cubby just holds 2 of my laptops. This one is the one that's working. This one has a broken keyboard, but it has a lot of pictures and videos I still need to export. And of course I had the laptop charger. And then as you already know from the bottom, I just placed my candles, my hair products, and my hair tools in this little black crate box. What is up? I have decided to embark upon the journey of getting some iced coffees. So here's me looking like 50 Shades of Broccoli. Let's do this thing. Yeah. Peace. Thank you all for watching this vlog. I didn't really do much. It wasn't that exciting. I apologize. But I'm just keeping it real. That's what I did today. Now I got my iced coffee at like 11 p.m. So gotta go. See you later.